Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My 9th class students, today we are going to start our first unit of our changed and new English book of class 9. Our first unit is the last sermon of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Now we move to page number 2. Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was born in 571 AD at Makkah, Saudi Arabia. In a respected Quraysh family, the Quraysh used to worship idols and did not believe in one God. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the Quraysh not to worship their false gods. He told them that he was the last prophet of Allah and asked them to accept Islam and to worship the one and only true God. Most of them refused to accept Islam. They thought that he was against their gods and their ancestors. They opposed this new faith so much that the Prophet ﷺ had to ask the believers to migrate to Yathrib, a city 320 km 200 miles north of Mecca. But with time, as many people started accepting his message and converting to Islam, the Quraysh became more aggressive and started making attempts on his life. Hence, when Prophet Muhammad ﷺ got positive signals from Yathrib, he also decided to immigrate there. After 8 days' journey, he reached the outskirts of Yathrib on 28 June 622. But he did not enter the city directly. He stopped at a place called Quba, a place some miles from the main city, and built a mosque there. On 2nd July 622, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ entered the city. This event is known as Hijrah and marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. Yathrib, soon renamed Madinatun Nabi, literally city of the Prophet, but Nabi was soon dropped and its name became Medina, meaning the city. नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम 571 सने ईस्वी में सऊदी अरब में मक्का के एक मोअस्सिस घराने में पैदा हुए। कुरैश बुतों की परस्तिश किया करते थे। नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने कुरैश को उन बुतों की परस्तिश से मना किया और उनको एक और सच्चे अल्लाह की इबादत करने का कहा और उनको कहा कि वो अल्लाह के आखिरी नबी हैं और उनको दायरे इस्लाम में आने की दावत दी। उनमें से ज़्यादातर ने दावत इस्लाम से इनकार किया। इस नए दीन की इस कदर मुखालफत की कि नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को अपने पैरोकारों को मक्का में यस्रब शहर, जो 320 किलोमीटर मक्का के शुमाल में वाक़ है, वहाँ हिजरत कर जाने के लिए कहा। मगर वक्त के साथ साथ काफ़ी लोगों ने इस दावत को कबूल किया, लेकिन कुरैश की जाहिलियत इस कदर बढ़ गई थी कि उन्होंने नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की ज़िंदगी को ख़त्म करने की कोशिशें शुरू कर दीं। लिहाजा नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को जैसे ही यस्रब से मस्बत इशारे मिले तो उन्होंने यहाँ हिजरत का सोचा। 8 दिन की मुसाफत के बाद नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम यस्रब के मज़ाफ़ात या बैरूनी हुदूद में 28 जून सन 622 में पहुँचे, लेकिन वो बराह रास्त शहर में दाखिल नहीं हुए। उन्होंने कुबा के मुकाम पर पड़ाव डाले। कुबा वो मुकाम है जो कि मरकज़ी शहर से कुछ मीलों के फासले पर है और यहाँ उन्होंने एक मस्जिद भी तामीर की। Now we move to page number 3. At the time of arrival of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Medina, the city had 4 broad groups of people. There were the Muslims, including those who were from Medina and those who had immigrated from Mecca. Then there were the hypocrites, that is those who embrace Islam in name only but actually were against it. Additionally, there were the people from Aus and Khazraj who were still pagans but were likely to accept Islam. Finally, there were the Jews who were huge in number and formed an important community there. In order to ensure that all these people lived peacefully with each other, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam invited the leading personalities of all the communities to discuss this matter. He wanted the different groups to reach a formal agreement or harmony among the communities and for the security of the city of Medina. He succeeded in drawing up the Constitution of Medina, also known as the Charter of Medina, through which a kind of understanding was developed among all the communities living in Medina. It mentioned the rights and duties of the Muslims and the Jews of Medina, gave freedom of religion, and prohibited any alliance with the outside enemies. It also declared that any dispute would be referred to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ for settlement. He unified the different Arab tribes under Islam, carried out social and religious reforms, and administrative developments that further consolidated the Islamic community in Medina.